Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I tell you how to fix due to repeated failed attempts on others and activity your access to Snapchat is temporarily disabled account. Follow this step, don't skip video, solve your problem. First of all, now tap on any browser, tap on Google Chrome and search Snapchat Sport and tap on first link Snapchat Sport and tap on third option my account. Access my account and tap on my account is locked and tap on my account and scroll down and tap on my account is locked and tap on my account has been temporarily locked. Tap on account site and enter your Snapchat username and password. Successfully my account login. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.